Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Gold. And did you spot the bus? The Alkaline New Rules bus is touring around Jamaica. Make sure when you spot it, you shout them out. Let them know Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel sent ya. What is special about New Rules July 5th in Jamaica? Other than Silk Boss being there, an underrated artist, big up to Alkaline, recognizing artists that are talented and have supported him along the way and including them in the New Rules Festival. We not only have Silk Boss that will be there, but also Knox. Alkaline's cousin will also be an appearance. Knox is a talented artist and can't wait to see him on the big stage doing his thing. So make sure you guys get your tickets and, check out Knox there. It's going to be crazy. Anyhow, what I want to also highlight is that they will be selling exclusive Alkaline merch at the event. So make sure you guys walk with your pocket money so that you could get the exclusive. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Also added to the lineup is Tifa, another underrated artist. Pick up yourself, Tifa. You deserve the highlight. She is amazing and talented. And one more next underrated artist, Munga, will also be at New Rules Festival, Jamaica. Talented artist. Doesn't get his props, well deserved. So make sure you guys get your tickets for July 5th in Trelawny Stadium for New Rules Festival. Bless, subscribe, follow.